Welcome to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to learn and understand 5th chapter of CBSE Standard 9, that is the fundamental unit of life. In this chapter we are going to discuss about cell, the prime features about cell, what all types of cells are there and how we have discovered the cell. So let us start with the discovery of the cell. That in 1665 Robert Hooke was the first scientist and he was the first person who observed this cell. He took a slice of cork and he examined under self-designed microscope. That microscope was very primitive and it did not include all the features which we are seeing in today's microscope. So Robert Hooke examined the slice of cork through the self-designed microscope and he observed that there are little structures are there in the slice of the cork. So he observed the boxes and named them cell. He was the person who has given the name cell to these boxes, and this was a Latin word for a little room. The meaning of cell is a little room. So he observed something like this under his microscope. Actually these are the cell of onion peel which we can observe under microscope, and here this is a one box, that means this is a one cell, and the dot which you can observe in between is a nucleus. Nucleus is a center of the cell, and we are going to learn more about what is a cell, what all types of organelles are present into them, and what is a nucleus and what is a function of the cell. But before that, let us understand how we have discovered the cell and who all scientists have given their contribution in this field. Now let us see the timelines and we will learn that how we have discovered today's fully functional unit, and that is cell. So first, the Robert Hooke was a person who discovered that cells are existing, and that too with primitive microscope. So in 1665 he discovered that cells are existing. Then after that, Leeuwenhoek was the scientist. In 1674 he discovered the free living cell in pond water. But by this time the scientists have developed advanced microscope and they could see a cell in better ways. Robert Brown in 1834 he discovered the nucleus within the cell. And Purkinje in 1839 discovered the protoplasm, that fluid remain inside the cell. For example, if this is a cell, then center of the cell is a nucleus, and here within the cell one fluid will be there. That fluid is named as protoplasm. So Purkinje discovered the protoplasm, that is a fluid, remain inside the cell. Then Schlinden and Schwanz were two scientists who presented the cell theory in 1838 and 1839. Virchow was the scientist in 1855. He discovered that all cells arise from the pre-existing cell. So he discovered and he gave an advanced cell theory that cells are multiplying from previously existing cell, and that is how we discovered all about cell. Hope this video has solved your doubts, and in coming videos we are going to learn some more important concepts. So don't forget to subscribe, Learn Yourself. I'll see you in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing.